Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Google Maps API key. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so to get Google Maps API key, just go to the Google Maps platform credentials page. You can click on this button to go to the credentials page. Just go to developers.google.com and search for how to create an API key on Google Maps, and you should be redirected to this page. So you can just click on this blue button to be redirected to the credentials page, and on the credentials page click create credentials API key. The API key created dialog displays your newly created API key, and then just click on close. The new API key is listed on the credentials page under the API keys, so remember to restrict the API key before using it in production. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.